DJI Inspire 2 Cinema Premium. DJI Inspire 2 Cinema Premium is a highly valued and premium drone which has a space of around 19 inches between the propeller arms, allowing the drone to move around freely. The drone has a flight time of around 27 minutes and has a flight control range of under 7 kilometers. As far as the speed is concerned, the DJI Inspire has an impressive speed of 94 kilometers per hour. It also offers 1080p Full HD resolution video footage. In order to meet the highest professional filmmaking standards, this drone uses an S35 image sensor and offers a 6K Cinema DNG RAW and a wide dynamic range of up to 14 stops. It has the world's first integrated aerial lens mount that allows the drone to switch between 4 available prime lenses quickly and easily. This drone is a perfect match for aerial photography as it provides 5 480GB Cine SSDs, 8 intelligent flight batteries for the purpose of extended flight time, and allows the powerful combination of Sendance and Crystal Sky. DJI Inspire 2 costs around $20,500.